Understanding Reality Check, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, reality check. This phrase is widely used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it effectively. Reality check refers to a moment of truth where a person realizes the true nature of a situation. It's like waking up to the facts, often after being in denial or misunderstanding something. This phrase is used to describe situations where someone is forced to recognize and accept the truth, no matter how uncomfortable or different it might be from their previous beliefs or expectations. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. In conversation, when I saw my exam results, it was a reality check. I realized I needed to study harder. In the workplace, the team's failure to meet the project deadline served as a reality check about their current work strategies. In personal life, losing the race was a reality check for him about his fitness level. These examples show how the phrase is used in different contexts to imply a sudden awareness or an awakening to reality. Understanding and using the phrase, reality check, can be quite beneficial. It enhances communication. Using this phrase accurately can help you convey your thoughts more clearly in English. It helps in self-awareness. Recognizing a reality check in your own life can be a stepping stone to personal growth and improvement. And that's a wrap on reality check. I hope this video has been a helpful guide in understanding this interesting phrase and how it can be used in your daily English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!